Hey everybody, this is Rob again, and I have a little package here from Mr. Richard Sawyer. This is the second one that he has sent, and he sent me a notice asking if I wanted to try a Peach Boot Jolokia SS. I don't know how hot this is going to be, but we're going to do an unboxing anyway. And this box feels a little bit heavy for a single pod. So, let's do a quick unboxing and find out what we got in here. And of course, not going to show the address. And taped it up really well, of course. Alright, missing some tape, there we go. And this side. Alright, so this is definitely more than a single pod. Ooh. We have something bright peach colored here. Hopefully that's what it is. And we definitely have more than a single pod in here. So Richard, yeah, thank you so far. If I can figure out how to get the paper toweling off. Oh my. Look at the size of these. I don't know what any of these are at the moment, but Richard, I need to know what these are, because look at the size of this one. That's absolutely huge, and this one looks like it's right in the same family. I don't know what they are, though. This one resembles, another, this looks like an ahi, is it the panic or the amarillo? And these all look like they're of the same species. So cool. But this has got to be the Peach Jolokia, the Jolokia SS. This one's going to be the star of the show, I think. I don't know if we'll be doing the taste test on this one today or not, but we're kind of thinking about it, and Paul is here as well, and so is Devin. So we may just take and split this up in another video and give it a shot. So, we have 7 peppers here. Oh, wait a minute. Missed some. Oh, there's 2 more. 2 more peach Boot Jolokias. Boot Jolokia SS's. You want to see that sucker?
Richard, why'd you try and kill us?
It's like you don't want us to have normal lives outside of the bathroom.
No, this adds excitement to the life, man.
It actually looks like it was fire roasted, just looking at the skin on the outside with the brown bumps on the very edges.
Yeah, like they're getting nice and ripe. Maybe they started out at a purple color and they're ripening to the peach color. So this one is probably going to be the one that we eat today. So yeah, Mr. Richard Sawyer, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, we'll do a separate video for the tasting of it. And yeah, with that in mind, I think I'm going to close this out. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Got the like button in the comments down below, and of course that notification button if you haven't already hit the subscribe button. So yeah, with that said, again, thank you, Richard. I appreciate it, and I will see you later. Bye.